Hey everybody, and welcome back to the channel. Once again, I'm out here on Horsetooth Reservoir. Going to be targeting some trout, and once again I'm hoping to get into some big walleye. And I tell you what, it's the middle of March and I'm in short sleeves. It's about 80 degrees out here. It's been really windy for about a week or so. It's a little windy right now. Hopefully the gusts don't get too extreme out here, so I can get out and effectively target some big trout and big walleye using my live scope today. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully we can get some big fish for you all today, and should be a good one. Right off the bat, we got what looks like a good fish on the board. Got him. That's some pretty loose drag I got going on today. All right. Let's tighten that up. I think it's a good fish, but I don't know that he's that good. Yeah, that's a nice bobo. All right, starting off the day off strong. Okay, let's get this guy out so you guys can see him. It's a good start to the day. Let's get this girl back in the water and try to get some bigger ones. See you later, girl. Okay, I talk about it all the time. I use a net head typically to target these fish. Trying something a little bit different today. Got these 1/8 ounce laser sharp tungsten jig heads here, and these are more meant for what I'm doing today. You know, the net head's really good for hopping it along the bottom and standing up your baits, but I'm working baits through the middle of the water column, so I thought I'd give these guys a try today. And yeah, it's that's the first cast I made on them. I'm about 4 minutes into the day, and one cast, one fish. Can't do much better than that. Gonna be trying these guys out today. Eventually I'll come to a conclusion. Do I want to swap over to these, or do I stick with the net head? But yeah, so far so good on that new 1/8 ounce tungsten jig from Laser Sharp. Here he comes. It's a big fish. I think it's a walleye. Take it, bud. Take it. Looks like he's losing interest. He walked away. We got one of them. These might be wiper. They were set up like the same way that I've seen wiper here in the past. That's exactly what it is. That's a nice fish. Alrighty. Well, there's a few more down there with them. Maybe I'll go for those too, but not exactly what I'm here for today, but still fun to catch. See you later, bud. Got one, finally. Man, these fish have been picky today. It has been windy. I have been fighting conditions. I've had walleye follow and turn away over and over again. Finally got a big one to hit it. Now let's not lose this fish here. Come on up. It's a heavy fish. I can see her. She's a big walleye. Come on up. Yep, that's a giant. Come here, girl. Get in the net. Got her. That's what I'm talking about. Got this girl on that new laser sharp jig head that I was just talking about earlier. That's it right there. Let's get a length on this girl. Get her out so you guys can get a good look at her. Man, it took a while. Get her back in the water and turn this kayak around so you guys can get a better look so it's not directly in the sun. Get out the measure board. See what we're dealing with here. Ugh. There we go. Another beautiful pre-spawn walleye. Let's get her on the board. I got her to hit 29 inches. All right, beautiful fish. Probably 8 pounds or so, I would guess, but I see some big fish on the graph, so let's get back after some more. See you, girl. There we go. I think we got a walleye, but I'm not exactly sure. It could be a trout. It's pulling quite hard. Now it's starting to dig like a walleye, so we're gonna go with walleye. Yes, it is a walleye. Another nice one. There we go. Oh man, it's been a minute. These things have been picky today. And let's get her on the board quick. Let's see what we got. It's about a 25 incher this time. Not a bad fish for sure. All right, there we go. "25-inch walleye." Beautiful fish again. Still a pre-spawn that I'm getting on out here. Yeah. All right, let's get this fish back in the water. See you later, big girl. Well guys, couldn't get any more walleye to bite. Had a few more followers come in, but yeah, these fish seem to be really picky tonight. So anyways, just about back to the boat ramp now, so gonna call it a night. Yeah, I want to thank you all for watching today's video. Per usual, go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, do all that good stuff. Really goes a long way in helping me out. And until next time, I'll catch you later.